The biggest shock is here. We are just 3 days away from the official Unpacked event for the Galaxy S23 series, and well, it all comes down to one thing, and that is pricing. With all the good that is coming with the S23 series, ultimately you'll have to pay to get these devices, and well, the Galaxy S23 series will have a price increase. Because of the global inflation and the current economic state of the world, prepare to pay more, especially if you live outside of the US, because that will be the only place where the pricing is completely unchanged compared to the Galaxy S22 series from last year. Outside of US, for example, in markets like South Korea, UK, India, and the whole of Europe, we have a price increase of $100 or more with the Galaxy S23 lineup. For example, in the UK, the S23 starts with £849, S23 Plus is £1,049, and the S23 Ultra is £1,249. So about £100 increase for all the models. The S23 Ultra, again, the only model that is coming with the 256GB base storage. So technically you are paying the same amount for the last year's model, but now with the higher storage, so slightly higher price. Here are the pricing for the Indian market, and you can see the absolute price shock is indeed real. Same thing can be seen for Europe, so pretty much this is the biggest shock. The only place where the pricing is the same as last year is the US. Samsung is apparently doing this in order to compete with Apple toe-to-toe because they also have the same kind of pricing for that market. If you are planning to buy any of the S23 series model, I highly recommend you to do the pre-order reserve thing. So you get the reservation bonus along with the free gifts like the Galaxy Buds Pro when you buy the S23 model as a pre-order. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also, we got the One UI 5.1 leaked as well with the full changelog now online. This update is actually introducing more features than I initially thought. So one of my favorite one is the direct integration of the Expert RAW in the actual camera app itself. So for the supported devices like the Galaxy S21 Ultra, S22 Ultra, Note 20 Ultra, these devices will have Expert RAW now embedded in the actual main camera. You can access that by going into the mode section. Apart from that, we have loads of other small changes. For example, better and powerful search. You can now choose a custom location to save your screenshots, some new widgets for the battery and weather. Samsung is also improving the continuity between their phones and laptops. So in addition to copy pasting things between the devices, if you use the Samsung internet browser on your phone, you will be able to continue with the same websites or the same browsing session on your Samsung PC. All in all, a pretty good upgrade considering Samsung has also improved the animations even further, completely optimized for the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip with the Galaxy S23 lineup. So there we go with all the good that is coming with the S23 series. The pricing is going up as well outside of US thanks to all the techs and the inflation. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the pricing. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.